Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another gutter cleaning related video. Now I did a video a little while ago where I did show you how ineffective the gutter guard or leaf guard or whatever you want to call it that people put over their gutters to try and keep stuff out of their gutters, how ineffective that stuff is and how it just makes things worse. Now I did post that last video that I made up on a gutter guard promotional site that kept hassling me about wanting me to install gutter guard. So I've decided, here we go, there's the video of how great the stuff is that you want me to install. And within about 30 minutes, they had deleted my post, they had deleted my video, and they had blocked me from accessing their site. So obviously they're scared of something and they know within themselves that the garbage that they sell doesn't work and that it causes nothing but problems for homeowners. Now we've been having some rain lately, as you may or may not be aware, and I got called out to one of my existing customers' house because the guttering on his shed kept overflowing and water just kept pouring over the guttering, and it was quite a tall shed. It's about 5 meters tall, I think. So I brought my long extension ladder and I went up there and had a look to see what the issue was. And this is what I found.
Waterproof sealant that works whether the substrate is wet or dry.
Now again, as you just saw, I'm not making this stuff up. And this is the leaf guard, gutter guard. It was on there, it was correctly installed. I undone it all and pulled it up to reveal what was under there. And look, now you know why generally I don't like working on properties that got that garbage installed. And also why at least, look, on average probably once a week, once a fortnight I get called out to just rip that stuff out and take it to the tip. And it's not cheap. I charge quite a bit of money to rip that stuff out and take it to the tip because it is a pain, it is dirty work, and you know, you've got all that sludge, the moss, you've got frogs living under there, you've got all sorts of stuff, like it is terrible. So whatever you do, save your money, just get up there once a year, every spring or every winter or whenever you like, and just flush your gutters out, or get someone like me to do it. For the cost of installing that gutter guard, you can have someone like me come out there for the next 5 or 10 years, once a year, and clean out your gutters. Like, it is absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, if you disagree with me or you want to tell me why I'm wrong, look, feel free to leave a comment down below. I mean, look, it's hard to dispute the evidence. It's hard to dispute the facts. I mean, they can say that it works all they want. It doesn't. But anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.